Hey everyone, welcome back to Parsons Productions. In today's video, we've got a bunch of fun things planned. We've got an oil change, we've got carburetor rebuilds, we're going over the floats, we're going over the needles, going over all the valves, making sure everything's tip-top. Previously when I got the bike, at large throttle inputs, it would be incredibly slow. It wouldn't really respond properly to throttle inputs. So we'll go over the carburetors and really analyze them and see what's wrong with them. So enjoy this montage.
It's a lot easier on a dirt bike, you just do it on the road, you know?
Alright, test number one. I can let go. That's awesome. I had never expected it to go that fast. Bro, you gotta try this thing, dude. You gotta try it, bro. You gotta try it. Let's go! This thing is sick! So much faster! Holy shit!
Dude, that was definitely...
It's amazing what a tiny little adjustment.
What do you think, Aspen?
This thing's fucking sick, dude. I want it now.
Lit, dude.
Wow. That is incredible.
That's pretty damn sick.
Yeah, I can't believe that. I'm scared I'm gonna touch this with my legs. Oh yeah. That's it. That's it. Well everyone, that concludes this episode of Parsons Productions. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will catch you in the next episode, so stay tuned.